Hey everybody, in this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to use advanced feature in BeReal. Advanced features or advanced BeReal feature include sharing your post to a friend or friends for broader visibility, posting up to 2 extra bonus BeReal per day, and creating a private real group for a chat, tagging for users, and using a memory feature to save your privately revisited past post as well. Now you could also use the settings to turn off your location before posting, add captions, and as a daily option, you could retake a post if the first attempt wasn't right. Now, what here you could actually do is first thing you could go with the sharing and privacy. That means you could share or be real with your friends. So open the BeReal application, and then you could go ahead and take a photo. All you have to do is here on this section, you have to go ahead and make sure you could share your BeReal with your friends, and there the friends by tapping the audience option at the bottom of the screen and selecting my friends plus friends or their friends. And you could also change the audience of a past post of at any time through your three dot menu as well. And next, you could also disable the location. You could also tag friends in your photos so they can repost them to their BeReal friends as well. So this way, you'll be able to use advanced feature in BeReal. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.